Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with block prints in deeper shade pink and royal blue as well. And we have the golden zari lines, deep pink color blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse piece, little darker shade than the body. The complete zari border is in the base of pink itself. You can see the beautiful golden zari border. The saree have beautiful prints as well. The triangle shape printing horizontally done in both sides of the saree using royal blue, and we have beautiful printing in the top body with motif designs. The lower half body is completely printed with the triangle pattern, and it is done in the vertical way. Different saree, really different, with half saree pattern, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light radiant green shade color saree, and same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block print design done using the blue shade in the pallu. And we have light green, so almost an apple green shade with one side a beautiful deep brown color borders, some maroon and brown mixed border. On it the antique zari is used here for the zari border. The complete saree is in apple green with maroon prints, very different prints it is. And we also have the blue given in the both side borders. In the lower part of the saree, this is a half saree model kind. The lower part have different type of printing in the same color, but all over it's been printed. Blue is used more in the lower part. Excellent saree, very different designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep blue, it's almost a navy blue shade color pallu with pink portion in the pallu vertically given. We have zari lines as usual, and we have the zigzag lines portion also, which is block printed. And we have a pink blouse piece, running color, body color, with one side the deep blue block print design. The complete body portion having the borders in the deep blue, the navy blue shade. Antique zari is given, and the saree here is in beautiful pink, almost a magenta pink shade with a triangle pattern running in the lower half of the saree, which is in the blue. We also have the polka dots design done in the printing. Cream is used for the polka dots. Different design, it's really different with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue shade pallu with zari lines on the base of light blue shade color, and we have a little turquoise green and blue mixed shade color, little lighter shade blouse piece with prints in the blouse piece. Very rarely we have prints in the blouse piece. On one side we have the royal blue color borders. The complete saree is having the same light turquoise blue shade color saree with prints in green in the body, little lighter shade and small prints. And we have mango design printed in both sides borders, one at a row on the top and two at a row at the bottom, very elegantly using the royal blue color. The borders of the saree is also in royal blue base. Elegant saree, very different color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful dual color pallu, navy blue and maroon in the pallu with block prints and zari lines. And we have a wine color, deep burgundy and wine mixed color blouse piece, a contrast one. The same color is used for the prints here, and here we have a brush painted design all over the body, and we also have rectangular blue prints and border design also in blue. Very elegant and beautiful collection, a trendy and new exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree, green pallu with prints in blue and maroon, and we have olive green shade color blouse piece, complete plain blouse piece with the different shade green in the borders. The pallu is contrast, light difference in the shade of the green, and we have a saree which is having a dual color and finish. Top portion is completely printed one with top having the blue prints and lower half having the burgundy, the maroon color prints. It's a floral pattern, and the lower half is having Buddha design printed very elegantly with the borders in blue. Printing alone here is in half saree type with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful rusty orange color pallu with zari borders, zari lines, and we have same color blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The complete saree is having a golden zari border on the base of rust color, and here we have the rust color in the top, which is plain, and the lower half is completely cream color, creamy half white, with the rose design printed. Again, rust and green colors are used for the printing. Beautiful saree, excellent design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with mango design printed using pink, and we also have zari borders. And the pink is the blouse piece here, with one side the blue borders, plain pink blouse piece. The saree here is in beautiful pink again, kind of magenta pink shade with all over printed. The top portion is having a beautiful temple design border in both sides, bigger temple using the royal blue, and the lower half we have a different prints in the body. All are printing only the difference, otherwise the saree is in same color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green, a deep green color, a parrot green and a deeper shade color blouse pallu, and we have maroon prints, and we have the as usual zari lines with the body color blouse piece. It's a light green and yellow mixed shade. The whole saree is in the same color with green prints. The top portion of the saree is fully printed with green and maroon, alternately in 3 different designs. And the lower half we have the just butta design and only border design printing. Kind of a half saree model in the printing. Otherwise it is in same color and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with blue as well as black in the pallu with zari lines, and we have the same blue for the blouse piece with one side black borders. A very famous design done in a different color here. The blue is almost a sky blue shade with the prints in the lower half of the saree with black, and it is very beautifully done in an inverted triangle pattern, floral design. The zari here is also in the antique finish with black borders on both sides. Elegant saree, very different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful grey and pink in the pallu with beautiful prints, floral design, and we also have zari lines vertically done. And we have a contrast blouse piece, complete magenta pink with one side grey borders. The complete saree is having grey borders with beautiful zari border on it. The saree here basically is in grey shade. The top and bottom we have pink base and cream color used for printing. We also have a big polka design printed using the grey. Different color combination and very beautiful collection. An exclusive one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple and yellow in the pallu with yellow block prints and zari lines, and very contrast yellow blouse piece. To one side deep purple color blouse piece. The saree here is in beautiful dark purple color, very beautiful one with simple block prints here and there done using yellow floral pattern, and we also have zari lines in both sides of the saree. Beautiful color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green shade saree, a very elegant green, parrot green shade with maroon prints on it in the pallu, and we have zari lines also with same light green shade, little lighter shade green for the blouse piece, which is same as the body. Body is very different here. The top portion is completely red base, maroon base with the green prints, and the lower half of the saree is completely in green with the printing in the motif type design. Very different one in a half saree model design, printed very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink shade color saree, magenta pink shade with fully block printed pallu along with the zari lines in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, running color with golden zari borders in both sides. And here we have two different type of printing in the saree. The top half is diagonally printed with two different designs, yellow and cream used for the printing. And the lower half is completely as butta type printing that is done in a mango design. Very different half saree type printing, and otherwise the saree color is same with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. With zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a red pallu with zari lines, and we have same red blouse piece, pinkish red it is, with very elegant combination of half white. The complete saree is in beautiful creamy half white color, light sandal mixed half white it is, with all over printed using red. And here we have a vertical printed design, a twigs pattern with very elegant zari borders in both sides with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful green pallu with light green, light yellow mixed green color base. On it the block prints is done. The same yellow mixed light pastel green is given for the blouse piece here with one side dark green borders. The dark green border itself is a parrot green. You can see the border here. Very elegant design. You can the starting of the chest part, the diagonal design starts, and it almost goes to the 3/4 of the saree inside. You can see the design. It's really beautiful. Vertical part printing in the lower half, and the upper half we have the normal motif design printed. Multiple colors used for it. Beautiful pastel shade saree in a green combination. This is very pretty with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with two different shades of green, light green and deep green is given in the pallu. It's kind of a military green shade with a light green blouse piece. One side the dark green is given. The saree here is in beautiful cream shade in the top with all over leaf pattern printed. Both the greens given in the blouse as well as pallu is given in the saree top. And the lower half you can see a beautiful design, kind of a half saree model in a vertically printed painted design in both light and dark green shades. Very elegant one, different saree in a half saree model, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk sarees, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a royal blue color pallu with zari lines and block prints in the pallu, and we have same royal blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. The saree here having a beautiful zari border all over done using golden zari, and the royal blue base. Top portion is completely plain with the border design alone in the contrast maroon shade color, and the lower half we have the cream color base with the prints which is very different. You can see a girl design, very elegantly it's been done. Excellent concept, bright saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, dark magenta pink color, magenta pink with mild black mix, and we have black block prints used in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast yellow blouse piece, goldish yellow color. The saree here is in very deep magenta and black mixed color, almost a purplish violet it is, with beautiful design. Black and yellow is also given in the lower half, which is given for the blouse piece also. Very beautiful and contrast color nature saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a cream color pallu. Rarely cream is given for the pallu here with black block prints, and we also have zari lines. And we have a body color, a pink shade blouse piece with one side the half white color used for the borders. The borders completely are in half white with the golden zari, and you can see the beautiful saree type. The top half is completely plain, the same dark pink, and the lower half is having fully horizontal printing design along with the temple border. Done on cream base in using the black ink. Very elegant and different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu in the base of yellow and brown. The brown is given for the block prints also. It's a maroonish brown with zari lines. And we have the yellow color blouse piece, beautiful blouse piece with the body maroon color, maroon and brown mixed color shade border, zari border all over the saree with the complete yellow body, and we have the beautiful triangle shaped design in the bottom alone. Almost it comes the half of the saree, and it is having a beautiful polka dots design also, which is done in cream color. A very different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed foiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with pink pallu, and we have block prints in the royal blue shade. We have vertical block prints in this pallu along with the zari lines. Golden zari used for the zari lines here. And the pink blouse piece, the body color blouse piece, running one with one side the royal blue borders. The complete saree is having zari borders on royal blue base here, both sides. And you can see the pink body base with the royal blue prints. Two different printing. The top half we have the floral small flower design, and the lower half leaf design is printed. Very beautiful one. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink shade color in the pallu with black block prints, very beautiful zari lines also. And we have a pink blouse piece, contrast one for the body with one side blue borders. The saree is very different one with 3 layers. The top layer is completely pink, plain pink. Middle part having the block prints, mild dull finish half white color. On it the black is used for printing, very different and beautiful design. And the lower half is completely in sky blue with very elegant plain body. The borders are also in the Ganga Jamuna pattern. Top is pink and the lower half is blue. Beautiful design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, then on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep burgundy, the choco brown shade color pallu, complete contrast one with same color blouse piece. Again contrast blouse piece it is. The body color is completely in cream, a very beautiful combination. Cream and the pallu color are, and you can see the leaf design, just single leaves printed in the all over the body, that is done using the deep burgundy shade, the pallu color. Very elegant one with the golden zari borders in both sides. A simple yet classy saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with green in the base of the zari lines, vertical zari lines, and a very beautiful green color, contrast color for the blouse piece, a light beautiful parrot green shade. And the blue is also beautiful here, light blue, sky blue color. Plain in the top, and the lower half alone we have the block prints with the green border as well. The borders of the saree is very beautiful. Top is sky blue color and the lower half is a kind of turquoise blue. Excellent shade, green and blue always goes really well. Attractive color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a orange color, a rustic orange color saree with black prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines also in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The printing here is done in beautiful way that the middle part have the palm leaf design printed using black, and the lower half we have a checkered kind pattern, 2 different designs printed, a floral as well as a black design, which is also a floral. Very different pattern, all over printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a pink and orange color in the pallu with zari lines. We have a contrast orange blouse piece with one side pink borders. The complete saree is having a beautiful zari border, and here we have a Ganga Jamuna concept. The lower half is in orange and the top half is in pink with temple borders in both sides, and we have both pink and orange used for the butta here. Mango design, and it is printed all over here and there. Very elegant, classic cream base color saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders, done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a green a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept. Very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown pallu with cream color used for block printing, and we have zari lines. Same brown blouse piece. Very different shade of color it is. Mild shade. On the top of the saree is a striped pattern, horizontally done one with dark brown and light brown, and lower part we have the inverted triangles portion, very elegantly printed all over. Very different one. Elegantly the color choice is also made, the cream and brown, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. A beautiful light green color pallu here with the leaf pattern printed in the black in the pallu as along with the zari lines, and same green for the blouse piece, plain green, and this contrast blouse piece for the body. The body is black, plain black in the top, and we have the chessboard checks pattern in the bottom along with the green borders. The green borders have the block printed design in black, which is very different, beautiful leaf pattern. Very elegant design with zari borders, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree with prints in pink color, ultimate contrast combination with pink blouse piece. Very elegant blouse piece with both sides a royal blue color border. The complete saree is having royal blue borders with antique finish zari. The body of the saree is pink. Top and bottom we have the same kind of printing, and the middle portion is printed closely with the royal blue shade, mango design. Really beautiful saree, a colorful, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark Ananda blue color pallu with temple border done in black in the pallu, and we have zari lines. Same color blouse piece, and we have a contrast blouse piece for the body with temple borders. And here the saree is in mustard color, a mustard yellow with beautiful temple borders in black, and we also have the lower border which is completely in dark Ananda blue. Very elegant combination. The shuttle, beautiful combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with very different horse pattern printed in it using cream color along with the zari lines. Same pink blouse piece with green borders, an ultimate contrast, very attractive combination saree. Green saree here, bright parrot green color with floral design in pink and white, and we have both sides the pink border, very elegant horse pattern printed. Very attractive, ultimate combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade saree, a mild light pista green color with deep burgundy prints on it. The same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. And here we have the saree in a tribal concept, all over tribal pattern printed, ancient tribal design, very closely printed using the brown shade. And we also have borders done in the blue color with the same tribal pattern. Elegant saree with the borders with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with zari lines, and we have same royal blue blouse piece with zari borders in both sides. The saree here is in beautiful black and white concept. There's a dull finish half white color all over the saree. On it the black is used for printing, a beautiful pochambali type printing in the top, and we also have temple borders and the horizontal border designs. Very contrast, royal blue is given for the zari border base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful turquoise green and blue shade in the pallu with zari lines, and same turquoise green in the blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree here is in cream base with the diamond shaped design printed, and it is done in the blue shade The borders are in turquoise and we also have a temple border in black. Very elegant saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful, very attractive yellow pallu with zari lines. The same yellow blouse piece. It's really attractive, very beautiful yellow color. And the complete saree is also in yellow with the lower half fully a floral design printed. The starting of the chest part till the chest part, the pallu comes. You can see the beautiful contrast nature of the saree. Really pretty one. The color is really attractive with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade color pallu. It's a very different shade of blue. Not really dark navy, but it's a different color with very elegant lady pattern printed, and we have the same color blouse piece. Contrast one for the body. The body here is in very elegant cream color with all over the pyramid and the horizontal printing design done using the same pallu color blue. The contrast and very beautiful saree. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree. Premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have the green and rust color, rusty orange in the pallu. Zari lines is also given with a very contrast yellow blouse piece. Beautiful blouse piece with one side rust color borders. The saree here is in rust, plain body with lower half. We have the girl in a very ancient clothing design printed. It is done on the cream base. And you can see the yellow borders, which is very contrast and beautiful to the saree. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have a deep maroon color shade prints in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same light green shade, little lighter green blouse piece with one side the darker green borders. It's almost an apple green shade with very elegant maroon prints. Brown and maroon are used for the printing. The borders we have a very elegant tribal pattern printed, and the middle portion we have the butta designs, and the saree have a half saree pattern as well. The same printing is done in a vertical way in the lower portion. Different one, the printing is done in the half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. A sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink color, a vertically splitted border pallu, and we have zari lines on it. Blue portion, the zari lines are done with a contrast color, pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side royal blue shade borders. The saree is having beautiful half saree model. The top half we have fully printed portion on cream base, royal blue used for the printing. You can see the diagonal way it is printed, and the portion increases like, and a grey portion starts in the here, and once it goes to the lower part of the saree, it's almost a half and half pattern. Beautiful partly saree with a beautiful design. The borders of the saree are in the pink base color itself. It comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, a very different light apple green shade with the pallu having black block prints and zari lines, and same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having beautiful golden zari border very elegantly. Along with that, we have a printed border next to it. It is done using very elegant black color. The prints is done black in both side borders, and the middle part we have a green print which is in a mango design pattern. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a brown and black shade color pallu with beautiful block prints, and we also have zari lines which is beautiful and golden color. Same deep brown color blouse piece with one side blue borders. The saree is having a very different combination, blue and brown. You can see the middle part of the saree is completely in beautiful royal blue, and top and bottom we have zigzag pattern as well as the brown color. We also have the zari borders in the brown base. Beautiful saree, elegant and with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a multi-color pallu, red, black as well as yellow in the pallu. Very beautiful zari lines also in the pallu. We have a pinkish maroon color blouse piece, dark pink and maroon mixed color with one side black borders. The whole saree is having beautiful black border and zari border on the black base. It is an antique finish zari, and saree is in yellow, beautiful yellow with temple border as well as a cream base with black prints on it. Very different and beautiful saree in an attractive color combo, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep rust color pallu with very elegant light orange shade prints, and we also have burgundy color for the prints with zari lines. The same light orange color is the blouse piece here, body color. This is the body. The deep rust color is used for the printing on the light orange shade color. We also have a semicircle pattern printed here and there using the burgundy dark brown shade. The pallu color is given for the borders also. Very different printing all over, very different saree in different color with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep purple shade color pallu, a very elegant color for the pallu, contrast one with zari lines, and the same color for the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, contrast one for the body with zari borders in both sides. The pallu blouse piece also has zari borders, and here we have an excellent design, very beautiful, very different and trendy design it is, all over a painting kind design, batik done in a very beautiful way, multiple colors used for it, and we have deep black used for the floral printing on the saree. We also have the purple color for the zari borders here, beautiful one, very colorful and different one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful and contrast green pallu. It's an olive green shade with beautiful zari lines and zari border in both sides of the saree. Same green plain blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Plain blouse piece it is with the beautiful zari borders as well. The complete saree is having the zari border on the green base here, the pallu color base. And here we have a very colorful saree, multiple colors in the saree, painted like beautifully, almost the yellow and pink shades, multiple shades of pink are used here, red as well, with the prints completely done using black. A beautiful rainbow color saree, very elegantly printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a royal blue and pink in the pallu with zari lines. The same royal blue color blouse piece with one side pink borders. The saree here is in beautiful pink shade in the top, a light pastel pink, a mild onion peel shade color with the lower half having the prints all over. It's a very different beautiful hexagon shaped design printed along with the florals, and we have royal blue borders for the zari border base. Different combination with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu along with the block prints and zari lines. A very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality. Hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid's face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing. You can see the pyramids, the ancient concept printed, and the saree have a beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing, and the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon pallu with the base of the block prints in yellow color, and we also have zari lines, and we have a green and yellow mixed color, very beautiful color blouse piece with maroon borders one side. The complete saree is in the same green and yellow mixed shade, a lime color we can call, with a beautiful design, 3 different design block prints in a single saree. The top portion is vertically printed, center part is horizontally printed, and the lower half we have the floral design. When it comes to the lower half, only the lower part design is given along with the horizontal design. This one is left in the lower part with these borders in the maroon shade color. Very different saree, beautifully printed with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue pallu with pink base for the block prints, cream used for the block printing, and we have contrast pink blouse piece. The royal blue color is given for the one side blouse piece border. The complete saree is in the royal blue shade here with the printing in the opposite base color of pink. Mango design and beautiful floral design is given in the bottom. Elegant saree, the combination is very different and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful light blue color pallu with beautiful zari lines in the pallu. We also have zari borders. Same light blue blouse piece, plain one, with one side deep grey color border. The whole saree is having beautiful zari borders, the same pallu color, light blue shade. The saree here is completely in grey, a bluish beautiful grey color with buttas here and there done using the block print. Cream and green used for the butta weaving. A very simple, very elegant combination saree with authentic silk mark.